Rationale of the study. The rationale of a study is a fundamental component that explains the reasoning behind the research project. It provides a compelling argument for why the research is necessary and valuable, outlining the importance of the study in terms of its contributions to the field, addressing gaps in existing knowledge, and its potential impact. What is the rationale of a study? The rationale of a study is a statement that justifies the need for the research. It explains why the study is being conducted, what problems it aims to solve, and how it will contribute to the existing body of knowledge. The rationale sets the stage for the research by providing context and demonstrating its relevance and significance. Importance of the rationale. 1. Justification. It justifies the necessity of the research by highlighting the importance of the problem being addressed. 2. Contextualization. It places the research within the context of existing literature and knowledge, showing how it fits into the broader field. 3. Clarification. It clarifies the objectives and goals of the study, ensuring that readers understand the purpose and expected outcomes. 4. Engagement. It engages stakeholders, including potential funders, participants, and academic peers, by demonstrating the study's value and relevance. Components of a rationale. 1. Introduction to the problem. A description. Briefly describe the issue or problem that the study addresses. Significance. Explain why this problem is significant and worthy of investigation. 2. Review of existing literature. A current state. Summarize the current state of research related to the problem. Gaps and limitations. Identify gaps, inconsistencies, or limitations in the existing literature that the study aims to address. 3. Purpose of the study. Their objective. Clearly state the main objectives of the study. Their research questions. Outline the specific research questions or hypotheses that the study will address. 4. Contribution to knowledge. A theoretical contribution. Explain how the study will contribute to existing theories or conceptual frameworks. A practical contribution. Describe the potential practical applications or implications of the research findings. 5. Relevance and impact. A beneficiaries. Identify who will benefit from the research, e.g., specific communities, policymakers, practitioners. A broader impact. Discuss the broader societal, economic, or cultural impact of the study. Example of a rationale. Research topic. The impact of social media usage on adolescent mental health. Rationale. 1. Introduction to the problem. A description. Adolescents are increasingly using social media platforms, raising concerns about potential negative effects on their mental health. Significance. Understanding the impact of social media on mental health is crucial given the rising rates of depression and anxiety among adolescents. 2. Review of existing literature. A current state. Previous studies have shown mixed results, with some indicating a negative impact of social media on mental health, while others suggest potential benefits. Gaps and limitations. There is a lack of longitudinal studies and comprehensive analysis of how different types of social media content and usage patterns affect mental health outcomes. 3. Purpose of the study. A objective. This study aims to investigate the relationship between social media usage patterns and mental health outcomes among adolescents over a 1-year period. Research questions. Black small square. How does the amount of time spent on social media affect levels of depression and anxiety? Black small square. What role do specific types of social media content play in influencing mental health? 4. Contribution to knowledge. A theoretical contribution. The study will extend the understanding of social comparison theory and its applicability to digital environments. A practical contribution. The findings will inform parents, educators, and policymakers about the potential risks and benefits of adolescent social media use. 5. Relevance and impact. Beneficiaries, adolescents, parents, educators, mental health professionals, and policymakers. A broader impact. The study could lead to the development of guidelines for safe social media use and interventions to mitigate negative mental health outcomes. The rationale of a study provides a comprehensive argument for why the research is needed and valuable. It establishes the significance of the problem, reviews existing literature, clarifies the study's objectives, highlights the contribution to knowledge, and discusses the relevance and impact. By clearly articulating these elements, the rationale engages readers and stakeholders, demonstrating the importance and potential benefits of the research.